Okay guys, so for quite some time now we've been working on the administration panel. I think it's time for us to come back to our news front page. Okay, so what we're going to do in this lecture is to display the categories in the front page. Okay, so I'm going to head back to the category class. I'm already in the category class, so I'm going to write a method for that. So public function get all category. Okay, so let's write a query. So the query is going to be equal to MySql underscore query, and we're going to pass in the connection. So days con, and we're going to select all from category, and we're going to order by cat underscore title in ascending order. Okay, so let's write a while loop to get that. So while row is equal to MySql underscore fetch underscore array. So we're going to pass in the query. I'll just close this out like this. Okay, oh, you know what, let's just continue. So I'm going to save this and go back to the front page that's out of the administration area. Okay, so to the pages where we have the nav bar, the PHP. So I'm gonna grab let's see, what do we need. Okay, so we have this from this page, from this place. I'm gonna get rid of this, get rid of let's see. I just need one of these, but so let me just refactor this quickly. I'll get rid of this. Now I'll just get rid of all this. Okay, all right. Let's see what's there. It ends at the contact. So all right, so let me just get rid of okay, I'll get rid of all this. And this also. Okay, so this home is going to be static. Okay, and the contact is also going to be static. So just say contact.php and get rid of this and cut this out. Okay, so cut, save, come back, refresh, and we should have only the home and the contact displaying there. All right, so let's continue writing the query. So after the row, inside the while loop rather, so we have the cat underscore title is going to be equal to row, and we have cat title, and we also need the ID. So cat ID is going to be equal to row, and we have the ID. Okay, so let's echo, and I'll paste this and get rid of the double quotes to avoid conflicts. Okay, so in the href we're gonna say category dot php question mark id is, let's just say c underscore id for cat underscore id is going to be equal to the cat id variable, and what is going to be here should be the cat title. Okay, so you're going to see how this works out. Alright, so once that is done, you know what, let's just store it in a variable. So string is going to be equal to that. Okay, so after the while loop, let's just echo the string, and that should save. Okay, so we need to go to the header file of the front page and include, I'll just copy, no, let me just make some space. Okay, so I'll include class / that should be category.php. okay, I'm gonna instantiate it, and let's go back to our header. Let's see what we have there. Okay, so user. Okay, so this session should be running within here. Okay, so I'll just copy this as well. So copy back to this. On top of this, I'll paste. I copied it and I misplaced it. Okay, so paste it there and let's instantiate it. So just copy the instantiation, copy and paste. Okay, so I'm going to refresh the browser and check if there's an error. So refresh, and if no errors, then we should be good. Okay, we have uncut class user. What do we copy? Wait. Okay, so let's just copy this and paste, and let's have the user. Hopefully it should work this time around. So refresh. Okay, so it's working. We just needed to include the user class as well, because the category class has something to do with the user class, so we need to include the user class as well. Okay, so back to the navbar.php. I will open my PHP tags, and we have the cat underscore object, and we're gonna get all category. Okay, so that's the method that we created in the category class, get all category. And let's try that out. So save, back, refresh. Hopefully we should get all the categories, and we're getting just one category. And why is that? So back to the categories. Okay, so let's just say string is equal to this and string concat. Okay, refresh. Okay, so now we're getting all the categories in ascending order. Okay, so we have business, and if I hover around it, we see category.php question mark c underscore id is equal to 8 right here. Just look at it down here. Okay, so we have the health category 6 3. Okay, so everything is working. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay.